Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can loop your video in Adobe Premiere 2019, and it's really honestly so simple. So all you want to do, wait a second, I'm going to put it here. Click the plus button under your preview video, the button editor. Click on that and you'll have it here, loop playback. Take it and paste it on your, well, how would I call it? Buttons way. And now what you want to do is just click on the button, and now when I'm going to play my clip, will it start looping back? Will it start? Yeah, here we got it. So this is how you loop your video. And today I was eating breakfast at Sun and it was so amazing. Like, I recommend everyone, if you feel a little bit bad, just go eat the breakfast on Sun. It's honestly so amazing. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day.